Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn on dark mode in your Snapchat application. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, it's really easy and simple. Before jump over there, I will definitely suggest you to make sure that you had the latest version of Snapchat application. If it is not, go check over in your App Store or Play Store to see is there any update available or not. Just open the Snapchat and follow the way how I do for my phone. You can follow with your phone, it will be work. So what you have to do, open the Snapchat and you click this profile icon, and then you're going to see skin appear just like this. In the upper side right side, you're going to see a gear icon. Simply click over there, and then you're going to see a new skin appear. Scroll all the way down, and then you're going to find here something say app appearance. Just like this, if you scroll down, you can just find something say app appearance. After click over app appearance, you're going to see something say always dark. If I make here always dark, you're going to see immediately my whole Snapchat application is appear dark mode, which is quite interesting. So within this, you can easily enable dark mode in your Snapchat. If you decide to make it the default or light mode, so what you have to do, again, go click the profile icon and then click over the gear icon and scroll down and go here app appearance and then choose the match system. So within this, we can easily enable or disable dark mode in your Snapchat. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.